Okay, so we're back again with our birthday gifts, this time looking at the Picky Pleaser birthday gift, and we have here the
birthday special gift.
Super. So we had in mind around the kind of 60
Yep.
age point, 60 upwards obviously.
Men and women.
Yeah, men and women. Obviously the colour purple doesn't mean it's for a woman. We've moved past that.
Absolutely.
So yeah, anybody, the flavour, the product, the look, it is for anybody. So some of the products we have picked out is we've got our birthday products front and centre here. So we have our fine china 60th mug. So we've got that kind of like centerpiece mug, obviously signposting that it's 60th, a big birthday, or again, if it's a 61st, 62nd, 63rd, we can put in a happy birthday mug and change our sticker, which brings us on to this next product, the cake, freshly made, no preservatives. Again, we pop the sleeve on with your message and the age that if you've put it in your gift card message, we'll check and we'll make sure it says the right age there.
Because that's all people want. We just want chocolate cakes.
And then we've got our happy birthday milk chocolate bar. We've got dark chocolate sea salt. So we've got our kind of up next is up at the front where we kind of pack it is our truffles. Okay, they're expensive, nice glossy finish to them. And then we kind of come to some more products. We've got more milk chocolate. So that is milk chocolate shards with orange. They're handcrafted. Let's see, then organic Earl Grey tea bags. So they're cute, nice, and the purple just ties it right in with our colour sig in around here. So we have our raspberry crush organic sweet refreshing sparkling crush, and that's raspberry flavoured, but again we do have
you got
other
orange and whatever
flavours.
The colour just goes very well with it. Raspberry's a popular one for both men and women, and it blends in well with the red and purple warmer colours there.
So yeah, we have that planted right in the middle, means it's safe whenever it gets sent off away from us, whether it's to yourself to hand deliver or to the person. If you're not able to be there in person, you can, that's what we're here for, to facilitate your gifts. Putting some of them I think underneath as well and kind of creating the depth to the basket as well makes it more of an opening experience, that you get your initial wow factor, but then as you kind of take it apart, you maybe open it and try a few of these, there's more that you keep pulling out, which is why as well you don't have everything trying to see everything, because it's too much and it's wow and then it's okay. So we can hide some of that stuff down there, and then it means as you open it you get more and more, and it's kind of, it's
more exciting, isn't it? It's like the unveil of something, isn't it?
Yeah. So then we can have
what have I got type of thing.
Yeah.
So okay, so put it back together then again. So far we're sort of in the
middle there.
In the middle of it there, because we don't do this all of the time.
Let me see, and we can put the cake in the front. Got.
Well, that's the thing. It's made in our own little artisan shop, so it just gives a unique flavour, something different. And then the great thing is then that if you like that product and you enjoy it or whatever, it sort of supports little smaller artisan type of producers, which maybe struggle for shelf space on the larger multiples.
I do not know how we had, was that in there? Yeah, that looks more right. So we've got, again, finishing off with happy birthday, our birthday mug, and our happy birthday bar.
Yep, and as you can see, got the same thing going on here.